Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day.
I'm hopeless in the crossfire, there's nowhere to go. I'm holding my desires, my heart overflows. The only direction that I'll ever need is a deeper connection that's leading me. And I'm lost in your love when you hold me. Just hold me.
Hey beautiful family, how you guys doing? Yeah, well, hope you guys are doing great. Don't mind the way I'm talking, okay? I just really do some exercise I showed you guys. It's been a long time I even try any kind of exercise in this house. Like seriously, I sit down. Today I can't sleep. I don't know, I can't sleep in the night, and the reason why is I have a very bad back pain. Like my back was really paining me inside my bone, like inside my bone. Like I cannot sleep through my bone, through the down of my belly here. Oh my god, I can't sleep. It started yesterday evening. Anyways, I didn't take it serious until I sleep and I wake up in the night. I cannot sleep. I stand up, do any kind of things like I don't know what happened. Stop. I don't know what happened. Do you guys think is this fast? It's fasting? I think, I don't know. Because a lot of people complain of they used to be having headaches sometimes. Even my man like having back pain recently, and this kind of back pain I've never experienced this kind of back pain before. But my back here, through inside my bone, then through here, like really. I was kind of thinking. I told my husband, I said, do you think it's not this brother Kuro vaccine? I don't know. So I think I'm getting better. So that is the reason why I decided to do exercise this morning. Maybe it's relieving me a little bit. So if you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Omolola. We are a family of 4. We live in Germany. If you don't want me to hear word, I will lock you there. Before I take this camera, guys, there was kind of quiet. Now that I start camera, they saw me that I'm talking on the camera. See what they are doing? They are making noise. I don't know for them. So if you are new here, you are welcome. And we are a family of 4. We live in Germany. Me, my husband, and we have a girl and a boy. So for now, okay. Yes, I'm also a student. And my husband is doing kind of training like mechanical engineering. We have a little time to finish, okay? It's 3.5 years, so you just have a little bit time to finish. Yes, and okay, that is it. So if you love this family, if you love what you're seeing, consider to subscribe to this amazing family, and you are going to love it, okay? I cross my heart as always, okay? So today I'm going to be cooking egusi soup. I'm not going to show you guys because I've already showed you how I make my egusi without frying. I don't like stress. You just put everything together and it comes out yummy. So I'm going to be using spinach. I've not taken the egusi, I've not taken the ingredients out. I just want to, put the wash the meat. So I just want to show you guys. This is goat meat, and I have momo, cow skin, and I have some shaki inside there, and I have some cow leg also. I have some cow leg also inside. Okay, so let's cook. So I'm not going to be showing you guys. I have also fish right here, croaker fish. I'm going to be using it also. Put it out of the froze. Yeah, so that is it. I'm not going to show you guys, but just show you that I want to make egusi soup this morning. So that is it. Alright guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys later. Okay, let me see you guys later. Let me wash my meat. Let me cook. Merry Christmas! Compliment of the season to you guys. Hope you guys are preparing for Christmas. Hope you guys are preparing for Christmas. Anything you have, you wear around. Like one of YouTuber that I watched live video yesterday. I was kind of, my husband was there. My husband was like, yes, she's saying the truth. Yes, Mama Didi. He said one woman fights her husband just because he doesn't buy her designer and everything, like expensive something for Christmas. Can you imagine? He said if Nagari you get that day, drink her. This Christmas that we are celebrating, just to remember Jesus Christ. It's Jesus Christ's birthday, and she's really right. It's Jesus Christ's birthday, and Jesus Christ does not tell you to break your head if you don't have money on that day. She said if Nagari put epa, granite, put salt, put sugar, drink am. Nobody go know say na wetin you drink for your house for Christmas, which is true. This is my hair. I'm not making any hair for Christmas. Maybe after Christmas I'm going to go and make it. I don't have time now, going to school and everything. Even money sef not there. So that is it though. Anything you have on this Christmas day, eat some. Anything you have on this Christmas day, wear am. Okay, wear am. The one where you get for house, wear am. They inside your house. So far say you dey alive. You don't need to fight your husband to buy you designer. You don't need to fight your wife to do this because of Christmas. Are you kidding me? Like seriously? Christmas will be said now one day if you don't finish, especially this German, very dull. Now only decoration you're gonna see for their window, for their balcony. They are not wearing expensive something because of Christmas. They don't even disturb themselves. That is the reason why I love them so much. Now we Africa they say, hey, I want wear designer. Hey, the shoe where I want wear. Hey, this but I did. My daily must be like this. What's be down? I beg. Do what you know you can do. Don't do past yourself. Say you must celebrate and wear designer. Who does that? I'm going to be seeing you guys later, guys. So far we are alive. We just have to thank God. That is it. Okay? That is it. So guys, egusi soup is ready, and I'm going to be eating it with bread. I don't feel like eating swallow. Sorry guys, so this is my bread. I don't feel like eating swallow, and I have to eat something so that I can take maybe paracetamol or anything. What? I don't know. What is that? You want to eat bread? Yeah.
bread.
But we never allow you eat the rest. How do you see? This bread is very nice.
Nice bread.
It looks like Nigerian bread. Very nice, but it's from supermarket. This is bread. It's later. When some person they tell me say bread, and they give her they say 9. I bet let me ask her. Maybe get another bread. I don't know. What is that? I think they are doing something up. Sweet. Hey, Jesus. You'll be asking everything at the same time. Juice. She said sweet. No, I said sweet. She said bread. This is bread. Hey. I'm fast. Don't do like this. You say it with your mouth. What do you want? Don't do like this. You can talk. Eh? Fast is that. I'm fast. So why are you saying I? Like you don't know the name. She know what you want. Sorry, what you want? Like let's say this is bread. We say das. Ich will das. What is das? Ich will das. And you know the name, so you have to say the name. What you want. It's okay like this. Rosalie, what are you doing? Are you doing abacha again?
Yeah.
Why are you doing abacha? Why are you doing abacha?
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
So guys, this is evening already. Yes. And they said, yes.
Eat.
So they said they want to eat choco balls. So that is what I prepared for them. I showed you guys. It's liquor.
Coke. Man.
So this one too. Yeah. So they are crying for it, and I just prepared it for them. Anyway, it is even cold. I just warmed the milk. The milk is very warm, so it will warm their body a little bit. So, guys, let's end this vlog here. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys as always. Okay, tomorrow we're going to be seeing you guys in another video. Merry Christmas.